Hello students of class 8. We were studying about force and pressure. Today our topic is contact forces. Before this I have told you that our discussion is about two types of forces, contact forces and non-contact forces. So today we shall see about contact forces. In contact force, the main type of force is muscular force. Muscular force. Muscular force means the force which is exerted by the muscles. We apply the force on any object by our body part. These force come through our muscles. When you pull something, your muscles apply force on that object. When you push something, your muscles apply the force on that object. Sometimes you might have seen that some animals are also pushing or pulling or they exert force. Like your bullock cart is pulled by the bullock, horse, camel, elephant. These animals we use to carry load or push something or pull something. All these are muscular forces. So, how can we define the muscular force? The force resulting due to the action of muscles. Due to the action of muscles is known as muscular force. Now we have to think, is there any other type of force? Now we have to think, is there any other type of force which is contact force? Yes. You might have seen when you play in the ground, you kick a football. After traveling some distance, your ball stops. When you play cricket, after striking the ball with your bat, it stops after some distance. So, who makes it stop? This is the force that is called friction. Friction is applied by the ground on the ball. Surface of the ground applies friction on the ball and so it stops. This friction means this is a type of force which always opposes the motion. It opposes the motion. It acts against the direction of the motion. So friction the force which opposes the motion by the surface is called friction. There are many places where friction works. When we write on the board, friction applies. In your next chapter, you will see more thing about friction. The single chapter is about friction. So we shall study about friction very clearly. Here I want to summarize it that friction is also a contact force. When two surfaces come close or come together, they act on each other in opposite direction of the motion. This is friction. So these are the contact forces. Now about non-contact forces, our discussion will be in the next class. Okay, thank you.